Hey guys, welcome back to the proof room. Today is a huge day. As you can see behind me, the welder called and we went and picked up our keg. Alright guys, now that we have our boiler and our column built, we're going to put this whole thing together. We got to plumb our drain, put our elements in, put our column on our boiler, plumb all of our water lines, and we'll be all set to run our first mash. If you're wondering how I designed my boiler, click the link here and it'll take you to a video where I go over everything that I did and all the parts and pieces that I bought before I sent that thing to the welder. Alright guys, I'm going to go over how I plumbed this. This is my inlet, just a standard garden hose fitting, nothing fancy. And on the other side of my Y here, I have a nozzle just to fill a bucket or directly fill into my keg. And then up here, this valve will control how much water I'm letting through my condenser. Okay, so if I turn it on, water will flow through, up my condenser, back down, and out into my drain. Alright guys, we got this thing put together. The only thing left to do is clean this thing out, make sure I do a good cleaning on it. As always, do all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, share us with your friends. Have an awesome week.